Today, let's explore a unique way to create character-based bar charts in Google Sheets. With the Cooltables add-on, you can add this template in just 2 clicks. Simply go to Extensions, select Cooltables, then choose Templates. Or, if you prefer, you can easily build this on your own. First, go to More Fonts and select Gothic 1 for a bold, clean look. Next, use a formula to repeat a character based on the cell value. It will generate bars that automatically adjust to each value. Finally, make the bars bold by pressing Ctrl+B. This character-based chart saves time because the bars are created with a formula, so you can make multiple bars at once. Plus, since it's all text, you have flexibility to style it however you like. Align it to the right, change the font color, or add background colors to customize your design. Try this approach to create fast, flexible bar charts directly in Google Sheets.